Okay, so what I have here is a headlight for Volvo XC70 2011, and I just bought it as a broken headlight because it's loose inside. As you can see, it's loose. So usually what happens, the back of the headlight snaps out of the guides. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open it, and we're gonna see. Where's the okay, so usually it's easy fix, and they usually don't know about this, and they will sell it as a broken or unrepairable headlight. So we have the inside of it right now. So I'm gonna look, and I can tell right there, there's a one out here, another one. Okay, so I opened it, and I see here it's out of the mounting point, and I can see right there also, right there, it only slided out, and nothing's broken. I don't see any broken pieces yet. So all I'm gonna do is put it in place, just like that, just like that. As you see, I'm pulling it toward me here, and then I'm gonna try to snap it on, so it snaps back into place, and I think that should be it. So it has to be done with excuse me, two hands. So two of the back of this here has to be pulled until it snaps, and also right there, so there's nothing wrong with this headlight. I bought it for $40, and it's a perfectly working headlight right now, when after I put it in place. So I saved like $100 at least. So in the for the future, any Volvo XC70 or SAD headlight, 2008 and up to 2014, if it's loose inside, it needs to be that style of the headlight. All it has to be done is the back cover needs to be removed, and it has to be put back onto its places. That's all. Okay, so I already pushed it into place. As you can see here, right now it's in, and the bulb is closer to the back, and over there also it clicked in right there. So that was an easy fix. It took maybe a minute, and headlight is fixed, and it doesn't move inside. It's all firm. You can see I'm shaking it. There's nothing wrong with it. So yeah, there was nothing wrong with it, except it came out of the guide, and that's common for these headlights.